So welcome to the part 2 of this video and now I'm going to start without any more bakwas. अगर आप नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे तो subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also follow me on my Insta handle for the latest updates. So let's get started. You are going to love this video, so grab a snack and just sit. Don't you dare to get up from my video, okay? Watch it full and then wherever you want to go, please. First dress I had is this denim dress. I have showed you that patri where the sale was 100 and you can take any piece for rupees 100. There was denim dresses and kinds of dangris and shirts and many more things related to denims. So I purchased this dress. This is a long shirt. You can see this is a very long shirt dress and I can wear it with white sneakers and with some jewelries, sunglasses, and yeah, I'm good to go. I am going to style it in many ways. They are very soft and you can wear it any day with any look and you can style it in 100 ways. So yeah, you have seen it online most time. I don't know if it's old fashioned or what. This is a dress written queen on it. This is kind of jersey dresses which I have seen. I have read novels that in outside of the country there are some games are played and they have something like this on their shirts or dresses. So I love this dress. The thing was कि When I asked भैया कि भैया ये वाला थोड़ा ख़राब लग रहा है तो he called someone and got me the fresh piece. They had it and yeah, I am loving this dress. I mean, it's love. It's so soft. I can just do this all day on this. Also I have ironed it and अब मैंने इसको बिगाड़ दिया और मुझे अब इसे पहनने के बाद दोबारा धो के आयरन करना पड़ेगा. It's a lot of work. आप लाइक नहीं करते हो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, बहुत मेहनत लगती है. So there is a dress which I want to show you at the end of the video because this is the star of the show, so I'm going to show you at the end. So we will move on to the next category. I'm going to show you some cute socks which I purchased. They were so cheap. Just look at them, they are so cute. Was quoting it for कि 100 में 3 दूंगा. I was like नहीं भैया वो यहाँ पे भी मिलता है, मैं यहाँ तक क्यों आई हूँ. एंड सबसे पहले मैंने डायरेक्ट ही 6 लगा दिया तो ही वॉज नहीं अच्छा 4 ले लो, नहीं 5 ले लो, चलो 5 ले लो, 5 में ख़त्म करो. एंड आई वॉज नहीं भैया आप 100 के 6 दे रहे हो तो बताओ. हम चले गए और इतने में भैया ने वही पुरानी ट्रिक बुलाया, अच्छा चलो ले लो एंड चूज़ व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू चूज़ द कलर. ये कलर्स आपको H&M और बाकी जगह पे कितने महंगे मिलेंगे. 200-250 का सॉक्स होता है. And yeah, I mean the quality is good, but yeah, I am someone who is obsessed with changing the things. Anyway, what matters? Who's gonna see your socks whether it's branded or not? So yeah, this was the first color. The cuties was second. The pink bunny was the third. The blue bee was the fourth. This one looks like a sports elegant. Sixth was the first slippers I purchased. Love the color, the pattern. Also, I want to point out the thing that I am not very happy person when it comes to footwear from Sarojini. So the thing which I did also, I bought it from the shop, but for my satisfaction what I did, I went to the मोची वाले भैया and उनसे मैंने दोबारा इसको एक बार स्टिच करवा लिया so that ये चल जाए for my satisfaction only. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप भी करो because my experience with Sarojini footwears are the worst. The second footwear was this is kind of sandal, close open foot sandal. I don't know what was its name, I am forgetting it right now. They were so beautiful. I wanted to take them in 2 shades, like one in nude and one in black, but in nude my size was not available and I was kind of sad, but yeah, okay, I got one for sure. They look very beautiful when you wear it and you can wear it with any dress, like any dress. Kind of sandals are something which are personally my go-to. I love these kinds of sandals a lot. Next is these pair of sandals. I mean, look at the color. I am going crazy about basics colors like neutral, beige, black, white. I don't know. I am going crazy about these colors, and I loved it at the first look because of the color. Obviously, it is same as it was before, and I love the color. I mean, these three are gonna be my go-to because I don't usually buy footwears, but when I buy, I make sure that I am going to use everywhere. So yeah, finally the moment has come to show you the star of this haul. I'm in this whole haul. It's my favorite thing from around both the halls. I wanted it to wear it on my birthday also, but I couldn't because something at the last moment happened and I wasn't able to get ready and so. But yeah, drum roll please. Did you see that? This is the dress which I have seen wearing people outside of India for proms, because in India proms doesn't happen. This is the dress that is the star of the show, and you will be shocked to know the price. Mentioning on the screen right now. You have seen my vlog, you have seen that I have gone in my last shop. I had told you that I like 2 gowns and one I purchased it. I mean, this was hidden in their closet, like भैया ने ऐसे छुपा के रखा था, पूरा दुकान में कचड़ा भरा हुआ था. बट जब मैं जा रही थी, जब मैं ऐसे फाइनली थक के जा रही थी कि ओ नो आई हैव टू गो, थी ऐसे सैड होके एंड ऐसे ना मेरी नज़र ऐसे कोने पे पड़ी एंड मैंने ऐसे देखा ये क्या है, एंड मैंने ऐसे खोला एंड आई वाज लाइक मम्मी वापस आ, आई वांट टू गेट दिस, आई वांट टू हैव दिस इन माय क्लोजेट. एंड या आई परचेज्ड इट एंड पूरी दुकान मुझे ऐसे देखने लगी कि ओ शिट, इसको ये कैसे मिल गया, इसने ये कहाँ से निकाला. एंड आई वॉज फीलिंग सो प्राउड एट दैट मोमेंट. इसमें कोई भी डिफेक्ट नहीं है, एवरीथिंग इज़ परफेक्ट, एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन. ऑल्सो इट्स फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड, यहाँ लिख दूंगी मैं बिकॉज आई डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस दैट, और ऑफ हैवी प्राइजेस. आई डोंट नो कि यहाँ कैसे मिल गई, बट इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. आई लव्ड इट. एंड विद दिस my video ends here. I hope you liked my Sarojini vlog part 1 of the haul and part 2 of the haul. So yeah, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also इसको शेयर करना मत भूलना ताकि आप नेक्स्ट टाइम जाए तो आपको ध्यान रहे कि आपको किस किस शॉप पे आंखें मारनी है अपनी. Okay, so with this, stay happy, adore yourself, and with this, bye bye, see you in my next video. Bye.